All right, guys, Huawei is back again, and this time they're shaking things up with the Huawei Pura X, a foldable phone that's not afraid to be different, slimmer, smarter, and honestly, kind of stunning. So let's dive in and see if this new foldable really deserves your attention in 2025. The first thing you'll notice, the Pura X doesn't fold like a Galaxy Z Flip or Fold 6. Nope, it's got a wide, full design, more like a compact tablet that fits right in your pocket. The build feels premium. That matte glass finish and aerospace-grade aluminum hinge feel rock solid. Open it up, and you get a 7.8-inch LTPO OLED display, bright, buttery smooth at 120 Hz, and almost crease-free. Even the outer screen is functional enough to check notifications or snap selfies without flipping it open. Under the hood, Huawei's new Kirin 9025G chip powers this beast. It's fast, energy efficient, and surprisingly cool under pressure, even while gaming or editing 4K video. HarmonyOS 5 runs everything smoothly, loaded with AI tricks from smart window multitasking to live translation and gesture controls. Now for the camera, and Huawei did not play around. You get a triple setup: 50MP main, 48MP telephoto, and 40MP ultra wide. Photos are crisp, colorful, and detailed, especially in low light. The telephoto lens gives that clean zoom without losing clarity. And selfie quality? Way better than most foldables out there. The 4800 milliamp hour battery easily lasts all day, and you've got 88-watt wired charging plus 50-watt wireless. That means zero anxiety about running out of juice halfway through your day. So, yeah, the Huawei Pura X isn't just another foldable. It's elegant, practical, and a reminder that Huawei is still here to innovate. Would you switch to a foldable like this in 2025? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to smash that like button for more tech reviews every week.